Next we'll be installing this UTRUSTA, who knows how it's actually pronounced, drawer in this shape. So it's just a wire mesh or net, whatever you want to call it, and in theory it goes in here, or at least that's the plan. Hopefully the door allows it to slide out when required. Put the first rail in place with 3 of these type of screws, and now in this hole right here I should be putting one of these, but that will happen only after I see that this thing actually works, so I don't drill a hole into this without a reason. Screws in, and yes, obviously it's not touching the door. That would have been very dumb, but it's not touching it, which is perfect. And a few years later I'm installing actually more in here, and I just wanted to remember you, this is not pre-drilled because it does not align with this, so we need this type of screw that's included to put it in here. And I present you the final form. It took almost 3 years for this form to happen, but we decided it's much better to actually have these pull-out drawers compared to just shelves, because we could never find anything properly in there. So now they can be populated. Yes, we are losing a bit of space, but we prefer that and be able to find what we need. So that's about it for this video. Hope it helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye.